Today we're diving into BuildShip, an AI-driven backend builder that promises to simplify the development process. But does it really deliver on that promise? Let's take a closer look and see if it's worth your time. BuildShip is designed to help developers create backend systems quickly and efficiently, utilizing AI to automate some of the more tedious parts of the process. Right off the bat, the interface feels modern and user-friendly, which is definitely a plus for those who might be new to backend development. The platform aims to streamline the setup of databases, APIs, and server configurations, making it particularly appealing for startups or solo developers who need to get up and running fast. However, while the core functionality is solid, there are areas that feel a bit vague. For instance, the extent of the AI's capabilities isn't fully clear. It's one thing to say it automates tasks, but specifics on what tasks are automated and how effectively is something potential users might want to know more about. Overall, it looks promising, but I'd say there's a bit of uncertainty around its full potential and the depth of its features. Let's break down some pros and cons. On the positive side, BuildShip's intuitive interface is a real highlight. It's designed to make backend development accessible even for those who might not have extensive coding experience. The AI automation could save a lot of time, which is crucial for busy developers. On the downside, there are some noticeable gaps. For one, the lack of detailed documentation or user testimonials raises some trust concerns. Without clear examples of the AI's effectiveness, it's hard to gauge how reliable the platform truly is. Additionally, pricing details are somewhat ambiguous, which could deter users looking for transparency. This might not be the best fit for seasoned developers who prefer more control over their backend setup. In conclusion, BuildShip is an intriguing option for those looking to simplify backend development, especially if you're just starting out. However, the lack of clear information and documentation might leave more experienced users wanting. If you're curious, it could be worth a try, but those with extensive needs might want to explore other options first.